Founders Day. The founder of our institution is Shivrampant Damle, who is also known as Shiva Kaka. He was born on 14th April 1900. He believed that physical education is a science and cannot be developed only through talim training. He himself was an excellent wrestler. With the intention of cultivating brain and body together, he established Maharashtriya Mandal at Tirak Road. He recognized the need of physical education and hence he established Chandrasekhar Agashe College of Physical Education in 1934. In 1940, at the age of 40, Shiva Kaka himself applied for military services and joined armed forces. He got the title Captain in honor of his services. While in the army, he also fought on the front line. He took part in the wars in Burma and Singapore. For many years after that, he served as recruiting officer for the army. Shiva Kaka served in the army for 11 years. In the company of Swatantraveer Savarkar, he realized that tomorrow's India needs a real tough army. He encouraged thousands of youngsters to join the military. Even though Maharashtrians have great vigor and courage, they lag behind in English communications. Hence, in 1963, he started English medium school at Mukulnagar. Today, Maharashtriya Mandal can proudly say that due to Shiva Kaka's tireless efforts, more than 500 officers are serving the nation. On 25th July 1977, Shiva Kaka passed away with the satisfaction. A true leader is not a person of words, but a person of actions. Shiva Kaka was one of such rare people. He started with a small school and now it has become one of the most popular and biggest institutions. Until this year, we here at Maharashtriya Mandal School celebrated our Founders Day with various competitions being held for our students. Now, due to the pandemic situation, we had to cut down our way of celebrating this glorious day. But we have still managed to hold some small gestures virtually. Students, now it is our duty to take care that Maharashtriya Mandal will continue to grow and expand. We all should work hard to spread the fame of Maharashtriya Mandal, and this would be a real tribute to Shiva Kaka.